Hello! In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how to connect your Telegram bot to N8N. So first, you will have to open your Telegram and talk to @botfather and make sure that you already have your Telegram account before proceeding. Next, you will create a new bot and copy the token. And in N8N, you will have to open a new workflow, which is right here, and then you will have to add a Telegram trigger. So search for Telegram and then just click on it. And once you're here, you will have to paste your bot token and save credentials. Choose trigger type like new message. Then you will have to add a send message node to reply. Then you will just have to click execute workflow that you will be able to test it and then activate it afterwards. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.